Let's work through an example of solving a two-step equation. First, add 9 to both sides of the equation. 9 is subtracted from the x term. The inverse operation of subtraction is addition. Negative 9 plus 9 equals 0. 134 plus 9 equals 143. Next, divide both sides of the equation by 11. 11 is multiplied with x. The inverse operation of multiplication is division. 11x divided by 11 equals 1x. 143 divided by 11 equals 13. The solution to the equation is x equals 13. Feel free to drop your comments and questions below. If you liked this video, please click like and subscribe to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching!